Hey! You already know who it is! Charlotte the Shawfish in the house! With a message for y'all today! Listen up! Don't cheat! Don't cheat on your test, listen up now! Don't cheat on your test, use your brain cells! Don't cheat on your test, listen up now! Don't cheat on that test, use your brain cells! Don't cheat on that test! Now I understand how it happens, the cheating that is. Too many tests, too little time, you resort to cheating. Eyes dart around, pictures on your Apple Watch, notes on your sleeve. Cheating can seem so easy, but don't be sleazy. Do the right thing. If you don't study, that's your fault. Take the F and learn, my dudes. Don't cheat on your test, listen up now. Don't cheat on your test, use those brain cells. Don't cheat on your test, listen up now. Don't cheat on your test, don't cheat. Don't cheat on your test, listen up now. Don't cheat on your test. Second verse coming up. Don't be stupid and cheat on that test. Ask your friends for help studying. Put in the hours and read that Don't put the time in, it will be a rip in the chat. Rip in the chat. Rip in the chat. Pull a notebook from your pocket. Are you even thinking? Write the answers on your sleeve, how easy to see. Pass or fail, just do it honestly. Leave an F for respect. If your grade is lower than a D, just heed my message and don't cheat, please. Don't cheat. Don't cheat on your test. Listen up now. Don't cheat on your test. Listen up now. Don't cheat on that test. Use your brain cells. Don't cheat on your test. Hope you enjoyed the message I brought up today. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Leave a like and subscribe if you like what you see. Comment down below what you want to do next in my next video. Sorry for not posting regularly. I'm just not that good at editing. Even if you dislike, that's okay. Just leave a message so I know you've seen this. Demoed this song in an earlier video. Academic honesty PSA. Go view it. Buy my merch. Thanks for coming again. 55 subscribers, get that up, bro. Don't even know what I'm doing anymore. This rap's coming to an end. Thanks for being here. Remember my message, bro, just don't cheat, bro!